Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Boo from Super Mario Bros. Step by step in an easy way. And now guys, let's go. First, we start drawing a circle. That circle gonna be the body of Boo, and now let me draw these two lines. These two lines gonna help us to add the details of the face, like the eyes, like the mouth, and that's it. Okay guys? First, let me draw the left eyes. Now the right one. Don't forget the eyebrows. The eyebrows like a W, like this in this way. That's really easy. Let me color the eyes. Okay. And now a little close the mouth. The mouth is like a triangle. And this way. That's so easy. By the way guys, if you want to draw something that you like, just go to the box comment, write the name of the characters that you want. Let me clean that area because I don't gonna use. Now that look perfect. Let me clean a little. Okay, now it's time to the fence. Let me draw the fence. For the fence, just using shape like a triangle. Let me draw this one and this one, and now two small one. And don't forget this line. And now for finishing, we only have to draw the tails and two arms. Like this. First the tail. And now the arms. For the arms is just this shape. Almost like a triangle, but not close to triangle. Now let me add this shadow below. Guys, let me clean this area and add some details for the thumbnails. And I think I can say that is all. This Boo drawing step by step in an easy way. Now guys, let me add some details and that's all. By the way, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel and comment below what character do you want for the next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.